So here we are 10 years later with Silvia School and still using our Rancilio Silvia almost every day. I think this really goes to show what a reliable machine it is, and those commercial internal components really stand the test of time. So many people have espresso machines that really only last a year or so and then they break. We're going on, like I said, 10 years of using the Silvia, sometimes using it multiple times a day, but overall served thousands and thousands of shots of espresso and still working just as well now as the day I bought it 10 years ago. To celebrate, we're going to do a nice shot of espresso here. Thanks for watching.